Okay, we are down to one level to change my element to my third one. I know in my last video I said I thought it would take 3 weeks, but it's been like 8 days, so I heavily underestimated myself. So I'm just gonna film me doing my last level and, just choosing it and doing the whole obby thing. I hate the PE close. Sure, it gives you 143 XP, but it takes like 5 minutes to do. So I'm just gonna try my best at the musical chairs for a little bit. I love the Royalween decorations. I love Halloween, especially when it's like in-game stuff. I like all the decorations, but I just love the season and everything. And I love the decor a lot. Man, I'm at 4%. We really just leveling up an entire level. I think last time I had to like do a half.
103.8 Rain Radio to kick things off with a fright. We're from a spooky
Does radio
study
actually speak?
session in the haunted rainy day
It does.
classroom.
Okay,
Be
did not know
there
that.
or be spared. Don't
Oh, I
forget to
redid
bring
my
a
journal.
candle.
It's
Good
tagging
luck out
everything I
there,
put
and
in it
make
for some
sure
reason.
that you
As you
don't
can
let
see,
any
I'm
spooky
not sure
ghost
why,
follow you back
but
to your door.
we're going to hope for the best. And Game Passes have the badges now, which I think is pretty cool. I've gotten better at this. I have, I promise. Not that good, but I've gotten better. I don't know if you just heard that, but my Be Real went off. Alright, I did my Be Real. I actually got it on time today because with school happening, I miss it during class periods and everything. And because you have to have your phone silent, even during passing periods, I don't hear it ring. So I've been late for like the past 5 weeks, which is annoying to say the least. Especially with the new feature of adding multiple be reals if you're on time. No, 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 no. Oh, that was really close. As you can see, I've been grinding. I think I've gained almost like 200k since I did my dorm. It's been a struggle. But, I really want to farm for the Royalween because I really want the steampunk set, but it is so much. And it's so hard to get the candy. You just do the same thing over. No, 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 no. This game brings me a lot of stress and anxiety. That invisible wall that just held me back. I don't know if it's just me, but it just holds you back for some reason. Yeah, there are so many rounds. The winner's gonna get so much XP. I say like 120 minimum. Maybe 150. I have my things on this game where like sometimes I lose every round in a row and like I'm the first out for like 4 rounds in a row, and sometimes I win every single round in a row. I don't know how it works because both times I just zone out. It's sort of like a 50-50 gamble whether or not zoned out me is going to be good at the game or not. Gotta focus on this. Yes! 150! Brought me to exactly 50% full. Let me see. Study this and PE close. I might as well try. I might as well do the PE close. I think that might finish me off, or at least bring me close to. Maybe I can do like the maze. Because I haven't done the maze yet. Wait, will that make me lose my progress? I don't know. I need to do the maze soon. Because, like, it just looks really complicated and I haven't had the time to do it yet. Right. Why would there be wet clothes in there? Why is there wet clothes everywhere? Throw out. Throw in. Yeah. Let me put my dirty clothes. See, this is why I hate this quest. Look at this. Oh my god. Will that restart me to the front? Okay, it didn't restart me all the way to the front. That is so annoying. I have snacks down there. I didn't know that. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. I guess we're doing that now. Can anyone actually win this? Because I've only seen people fail at it. It's so tempting to go down this laundry chute. Can I fly out? I think I can. No, 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 no! I don't want to do this. I need to get my quest. Let me back out. Wait. Yeah, I am not doing this right now. I want to go back up. Let me out. Let me out. My laundry is not finished by now. I will be very angry. I'm in a new server. Every time you go to a different realm, it's a new server. It's literally impossible to roleplay here. Maybe on the off chance you'll get the same server, but still. Is it gonna load me in? Nope, I'm back out. Is this the same server? Dang it, I have to restart. I'm not doing this. I hate that quest. It's so glitchy for no reason. Now I gotta... Let me in! Whoever took that. I don't shower unless I have this specific pink color. This doesn't feel right to me. Oop, I need that. Alright. Guess we're eating. Maybe I can finish this off with a sleep. No! Stop it! Alright, that's finished. And I'm eating right now, and I can go get my sleep up, and I think that might finish me off. I think I'm gonna choose nature. I don't know. I really want to see if ice fairies can like get ice from this, but I feel like I'm gonna do that for my fourth element because I really want nature. And I can't even finish it off with that bag of chips. Okay. Alright, give me my XP. Thank you. Yeah, I think I can finish this off with my sleep. That took so long for no reason. And you have to like redo and get a new dorm every single time. It's really annoying. I don't know. As you can tell, I'm big on complaining. It's like a hobby. It is a job. Oh, we've almost reached the million goal. I know I haven't contributed anything this year, but I contributed like $80 last year, so, you know, you got a lot of money. It's okay. Okay, the entire Shadow Empress set, it needs a rework. That's all I'm going to say about it, but I don't expect anything because they have yet to rework any of the chicken heels, which I'm also very salty about. Because what are you doing? I traded my life for these chicken heels, and you have yet, like, I think the only ones I bought were the Action Booties and the Petite Mermaid Fairy and maybe the Marilyn Monroe ones. Everything else I traded for. Alright, yes! Okay, so I can now save my vacation mode. Can't even do tidy textbooks yet. It's still disabled. Yes! Oh my god. Teleport to the main campus. I know how to do it this time. I don't have to look it up this time. Probably. Okay, I think I know how to do it. You gotta go to that purple pond and then this weird looking rock. It'll teleport you somewhere. The Elemental Studio place or whatever. Oh no. I think I roughly remember where it is. First I gotta find that purple lake. Which I just fly in random directions and hope for the best. Maybe you can like follow someone. Oh, that worked. Alright, where's that goofy looking rock? There it is. Can other people see this? I'm very curious. Like, did she just watch me uncover the magic? Wait, was I supposed to go through that one? I think so, yeah. I want to do Ice Fairy after the Nature Fairy, and then I think I'm going to do Fire, then Dark. I don't know. I'm not ready to be an emo. I'm just not. Right where I spawned. Yeah, I'll be on the Nature King. Do I have to avoid that? No, I can just walk. This looks like the place where the fountain used to be that we can't go to anymore. The Divinia Park, I think. Yeah. Checkpoint. Gotta do some laser focus. I have to turn up my brightness. Oh. Did I not collect that? No, I collected it. Oh my god. I'm horrible at... I'm so good at, like, Tower of Hell and stuff, but... not this, apparently. No. Just let me go up. Ooh, it is bouncy. Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh, okay. Why did I say out of that? That is my character. Oh my god. That was cute. This is actually a really pretty obby. I like it. So I think the light one was on. Oh my god. I'm so glad they have checkpoints. I would have just not made the video and just gave up then and there. No. Nah. Nada. No. You are not going to do this to me. That's cute. And this again? No. I'm so glad they have checkpoints. Oh my god. I keep missing the move button, which is really annoying. I think this would be so much easier if I was on computer. I did not mess up this bad when I was doing the light one. At least I don't think I did. I think I was pretty okay at that one. Absolutely not. You are not gonna do this to me. No. No. Nuh-uh. You are not going to fall. Okay. I'm gonna... That is so outrageous, it has to be true. Probably the one that won't cause harm. Wait, okay, there it is. Where do I go? Oh, there. Man, I need arrows everywhere. I have no idea where I'm going. Do I jump off here? Oh. Okay, I don't think so. Yes! Let me get in the middle. I want to be the center. Beautiful. These are sort of cute. What goes between that? Let me check on the wheel. I need fire to go between that, I think. No, those look more out of place. No, I need ice. I need ice. No, why did I open my phone? Because that's actually really cute. I'm gonna... Okay, whatever. That is my biggest accomplishment to this day. Let me see the badge. Yes. Oh, I also became a fresh fairy. I think that's when I hit, like, maybe 6 days. I don't know when I got it, honestly. All I know is I'm a fresh fairy now, not a new student, which is more dignifying, is the best way I can say it. What else can I get for 150? Actually, what do I get beyond this? Oh, in 10 levels, I get whatever that is. Oh, that's cute. I want that. And I'll get a 4th element. That's cool. I want that. For no reason, I just want it. Oh, I want that. I really want that. I want this too. I want that really bad. And I don't care much for that one. I want that really bad. Grow stickers. Don't care for that. Imagine. Oh, I want that so bad. Okay, well, that was another adventure. It was grueling. I hated that obby so much. Do not do it. Don't. It sucked. I hated it. But I like the wings and I like whatever that is. Do my thing. Boom. I like that. That's about it. I do like the key though. The key is very pretty. Do I want to stay in Nature Fairy or switch over to one of these? I'm gonna be an Ice Fairy next, then a Fire Fairy, then a Dark Fairy. Just so I can dress like Animo for no reason.